What common mistakes do you see students make that lead to a conditional or unsatisfactory standing, and how can they avoid them?
One common mistake that I see come up a lot is when students aren't paying attention to the drop deadline. So my best advice is to get a calendar. You can get one from the W store, make one yourself, whatever works. Lay it out all in front of you so that you have that visual. You can look at the term at a glance, see all your various deadlines, all the different drop dates, the add deadlines. There's lots of different deadlines throughout the term, so it's important to really pay attention to all of them. It's a great reminder for yourself.
So not being aware of all the help that is available for students, there's so many people and places on campus that can assist students in meeting their academic goals. When students fall short of the grades that they're hoping to get, it usually comes down to not utilizing these resources that we have to offer at Waterloo. This can be avoided by asking your academic advisor for help finding and navigating all the tools for success that are available throughout the entire term.
What is your favorite resource for students to use on campus?
So my favorite resource is really the scheduled classes search tool. It's something that I discovered during my own undergraduate degree as a science student, and it really helped me plan out my courses because I could see which courses were offered each term, how many spots were left, and if there were any reserves for that course. And it's really key at the start of term because it'll also let you know if there's any early enrollment deadlines for that specific course.
I always suggest the undergrad calendar. The more you understand your degree and what's required of you, the more in control you are of the outcomes. Want to change programs? The calendar. Want to add a minor? The calendar. Need to know about repeating courses? The calendar. The undergrad calendar always has our back.
I would say UW Portal. This is an awesome organizational tool that all students should use here and have on their phone and their computers. You can see your class schedule, you can book appointments, find food, coffee, see where things are. It really does it all.
The center, they really are the one-stop shop for everything that you need that an advisor can't help with. So whether that's OSAP questions, fees, finances, official documents, even your walk card you could get within the same office at Needles Hall. So definitely pay attention to the center.
How early should students seek help if they're having academic difficulties, and who should they go to first?
So I really recommend that students reach out as soon as they realize that they're having academic difficulties. Whether it's a specific course that's not going the grade is after a recent test or midterm grade, or if there's something going on in their lives that's impacting their academics, I always recommend students connect with their academic advisor to discuss their questions, and that way we can provide some clarification and additional resources to support them.
I like the phrase, no door is the wrong door. Reach out to your instructor or the TA in the first few weeks of the term to introduce yourself so you know them a little bit. That way, if something comes up with course content, you know who to go to. You should also reach out to your academic advisor at any time to discuss the challenges you are facing. They can discuss options and resources on campus to support whatever it is that you might be impacting your ability to do your best.